Hi everyone, welcome back to the 10th episode of Coffee Retractor of the Month. Your Sasta Karan and your favorite host Retractor Prithviraj Gosrani is back. So 10th episode, wow, कब time चला पता ही नहीं चला. So move forward, welcoming our Retractor of the Month. Our first Retractor of the Month, you've seen her before, but as a host, we call her Papa Ki Pari, and she's a very own marketing genius. So presenting to you, Poo! Sorry, Retractor Pooja Shah.
Hi guys, I'm Retractor Pooja Shah and I'm not Papa Ki Pari. I don't know why Prithvi keeps calling me that. I'm in my third year doing BMS marketing from Mitabai College and hoping to graduate. And no, I'm not a marketing genius as well. It's just that I love what I'm learning, which most of us don't. People who know me, they know I absolutely love garlic bread and the beaches, and I'm totally filmy. You would have checked it in the last episode as well. If you haven't, you need to check it right now. Thodi marketing to बनती है ना.
Our second Retractor of the Month is a grammar Nazi, and along with having a good hold over a language, she is very creative and loves reading. So welcoming my personal favorite and the editor for 2021, Retractor Pranati Chheda.
Hey guys, this is Retractor Pranati Chheda. I'm from KC College and I'm a law aspirant. I have lots of hobbies and a few of them are traveling, painting, clicking lots of pictures of the sunset, exploring new restaurants, and I love shopping. Well, that's all about me.
Hi Pooja, the first question for you. Well, you've been the chairperson of this year-long project Coffee Retractor of the Month, and there are 3 other CPs apart from you. So how does it feel working with 3 other CPs, including me? Was it difficult?
Yes, it's been a roller coaster ride, I must say. But I need to tell you, we've learned so much in this journey with having those location issues to operational issues and whatnot. It's been a beautiful journey. I remember how 4 of us struggled with the first episode and the first shoot, trying to get everything sorted, and look at us now, we're pulling off a virtual shoot. That's more than enough. Kudos to what the team and the OC team and everybody who's been supporting us, and it's really been amazing.
Well, that's amazing. So for you, Pranati, the next question, that is, you were a part of the skit for our mega project Awareness on Wheels. Well, how did you feel performing in front of so many people?
Honestly, I've been a part of lots of skits and plays all my life, but I never thought I'd be a part of a street play because of my fear of crowds. And now I can take pride in saying that I'm not scared of crowds anymore, and I overcame it while I was spreading awareness for a good cause. So I'm really happy that I took up this new opportunity and thoroughly enjoyed its process.
Okay, that was nice. So coming back to you, Pooja, you have been part of this club, Retractor of Mumbai Small City, since a very long time now. So how is your overall experience been till now?
Yes, it's almost been 4 years now. To be honest, I haven't been that active throughout because of other commitments, you can say. But let me tell you this club has reached a very nice level, and it's reaching new milestones every day, I can see. I would really appreciate Mansi and the team for pulling off such amazing projects, say like the Safe Space, the Salt City Carnival, and much more. And these projects keep people like me engaged, and I have personally grown so much out of this club, and thanks to everybody.
Okay, so coming back to you, Pranati, again. Well, you are one of the chairpersons of the year-long project Shiksha, and since the year is coming to an end now, how has your journey been? Maza aaya?
So Shiksha 2.0 was a journey full of experiences. It had its ups and it also had its downs. So as much as I enjoyed teaching the students and the interactions I had with them, it also taught me the true meaning of responsibility, because it's a year-long project and there's obviously a lot of things you have to keep in mind. And I'm so glad I took it up on the first day of my road track journey.
Well, let's move forward to the most favorite part of every episode of mine. I welcome you all to the fun segment. And you can call it a challenge or a game. Well, the name for this game is Bina Masala Maggi. I know guys, मैं भी झगड़ा करता हूँ for extra masala in my Maggi, that's obvious. But here, both of you Rotractors of the month have to make Maggi with anything you want apart from the Maggi masala. And the one who delivers it first at my doorsteps will be the winner. I'm just joking. Stay home and stay safe. Well, so we can make your family members choose who's the winner. So let them taste it and give you a rating between 1 to 10. That will be perfect, I guess. Well, also audience, mention below in the comment section आपको कौन सी लड़की आपको कौन सी मैगी अच्छी लगी. Dude, that was so natural. I'm so sorry.
Hi Kaki, I'm giving this Maggie to you. You need to rate it from 1 to 10. Tell me how you like it.
Nice. Good.
Can you rate it?
7.
Hi Kaka, you need to try this Maggie and you need to rate it out of 1 to 10.
Nice. Very nice. I would rate it at 8, I think.
Okay, thank you.
Mom, I'm giving you this Maggie, so you have to rate it and you have to tell me if you like it or not.
Yeah, it's very nice. Correct blend of all the spices.
And you have to rate it from 1 to 10.
I would rate it as 8.5.
Okay, thanks. Bye.
Bye.
My brother, I've given him the same Maggie and now he'll also rate it and tell me how it is.
It's very nice and it's yum. If you tell me to rate it, then I would rate it 7.
Okay, thanks. Bye.
So the winner is pretty clear. Congratulations, Pranati, but no, I'm not gonna taste it. I'm not gonna taste it. We come to the end of our episode, but I hope all of you are safe and fit. Also, there's something as token of appreciation for you guys. And unfortunately, we cannot meet now, but I'll give it to you as soon as we meet, and let's hope we can meet as soon as possible. So, if you guys enjoyed this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Also, till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and take preventive measures. Bye bye.
सी जीत बचा है जिंदगी है